Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're looking for impressive, immersive sound in one small, sleek soundbar, check out this one from OXS. This is the S3, and it has been so impressive. Now, what I love about this soundbar is how simple it is to use. It's honestly just a plug and play. It is one unit. It doesn't take up a lot of space, nice and sleek. You can connect this to a TV. You can use this via Bluetooth. It comes with different cords depending on the TV model that you have and how you want to connect. As far as the sound itself, there are 3 different modes. So there's music, there's movie, and then there's news or gaming mode. So that will slightly adjust the way the sound is. This baby is loud. So we have it connected to our TV, and it really does make all the difference when you're watching your favorite movies to feel like you're right in it. It comes with a remote, or you can use all of the functions right on the top of the unit. The way we connected to our TV, we had to change the audio output setting directly on the TV settings to PCM. So keep that in mind. If you're noticing it's not connecting automatically, you may just have to switch a setting or two. Bluetooth connects super easily. You use the little button here. The blue light means that it's ready to connect. I really like how everything's color coded, easy to follow, and of course it comes with an instruction manual to walk you through the whole thing. It has a really strong bass, really crisp sound, conversations sound better, music sounds louder, everything is really great coming out of this speaker. And the best part is it's portable, it's small, the speakers are inside the unit, so it's easy to take around with you if you need to bring it from place to place. So the OXS S3 Soundbar is definitely something I recommend.
And that's my point of view.